Okay guys, willpower. This is when willpower and having a plan and prep food is so important. My husband's going out of town tomorrow and he wants Shake Shack. He does not want to eat healthy food. I could have easily like, yeah, get me a burger. Their chicken sandwich is amazing. But I said, no, get yourself some food. I'm gonna go ahead and make my food. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm making. I'm making my staple ground chicken breast burger, like patties, and they're little patties and you can use them however you want. I'm just gonna I'll show you what I'm making, but right now I'm gonna show you just the burger, chicken burger. So in a bowl I've got half a pound of ground chicken breast. You could use ground turkey breast, you could use ground turkey, you could use ground chicken. I'm pretty picky, I don't like dark meat, and I just like chicken better than turkey, but it's whatever you want. To that I'm gonna add a tablespoon of hummus. You're gonna think I'm crazy, but try it. It is so good. It keeps them, because especially since this is breast, it's pretty lean, so it tends to be a little bit drier. But you put in a tablespoon of hummus, it is great. And now I just have plain hummus, but I've used it's like smoked paprika, roasted onion one. Awesome. Any flavor, but I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple today. That way I can, kind of change up the way that I use the burgers. Tonight I'm gonna put them on some sauteed Brussels sprouts and roasted veggies, but this way you could do it with, if you keep them simple, you could take them any route. You could take them, Tex-Mex, Asian, Mediterranean, it doesn't really matter. So I have my hummus in there. I'm gonna add just a couple turns in the pepper mill, a little bit of salt, about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a couple dashes of hot sauce. I like this one, this Texas Pete's. It's so good, but it used to be 69 cents. It's like almost double that, which is a little frustrating, but it's still very, very good. And then there's one more thing that I forgot, and that is flaxseed. Just add like a tablespoon of flaxseed. You can add as much or as little as you want. I just think it helps with consistency, and also you're getting some healthy omegas, some healthy fats. And I have lined a baking sheet, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all up, get my hands all de-chickeny, and then I'll show you what they look like once I put them into patties. Okay, so here are my patties, and depending on the recipe, again, this is only half a pound, and depending on how large you want them, I split them up into 4 because that's about one protein portion size for me, and this is gonna be my dinner tonight, probably one to 1.5, depending on how hungry I am. You can probably tell I'm still not feeling great, and then I'll save the rest for lunches for both me and my toddler. So we're gonna stick these in a oven, 375, and they're gonna cook for like, I don't know, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'll show you what else I'm adding with my chicken burger tonight. In the pan I have shredded Brussels sprouts that I got from Trader Joe's with a little bit of red pepper and red onion, just sauteing up with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. Top my burger on that, and then I'll show it to you when it's all done, but it's gonna be delicious. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. I've got my Brussels sprouts and onions and peppers that I sauteed at the bottom, and then one of my chicken burgers just chopped up, and then I topped it with this stuff. Oh my God. I hear people talking about it and I had to try it. This is the best dressing. I had it for lunch today and I'm having it for dinner. I think I'm gonna be using it all the time. You guys, if you have Trader Joe's, you need to go get this Green Goddess salad dressing. And the macros on it are so good. 2 tablespoons, 20 calories, 2 fat, 1 carb, no protein. There's no crap in it. Like they even say Whole30 compliant on the little paper. So I'm gonna go devour this. Okay guys, so that was my healthy dinner for today. And that's my toddler saying hello. It's just so easy. I just want you to know that cooking healthy doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to take a long time. I think that whole meal took me like 20 minutes max. So just hopefully try it out, see if you like it, and if you do, let me know what you think. Have a good night.